Welcome to Mustang is a Way of Life. I'm be unboxing a siren for my Mustang. Comes with some electrical tape, another roll, some wires, some more wires, some instructions. Oh, screwdriver. I wonder if they accidentally did that or it comes with a screwdriver. Some tools. Some wires. The intercom, the box that powers the sound, wiring harness, fuses and screws. Whoa, this is pretty heavy. The speaker. Wasn't expecting it to be so heavy. That seems to be all. I'll have to get this installed and let y'all see how it sounds. I'm about to go find a place where I could test this siren out, where I don't be around anyone to disturb anyone. Just trying to find a good spot to pull over. And I didn't want to try it at my house. But like I said, I didn't want to disturb no one. And try to get where usually ain't a whole lot of people at. And see if I got to speak in a good location. Hopefully people will stop coming. They got a couple people passing right now, so I'm gonna give them a second. And this is really only supposed to be used at like maybe car shows. And I'm not gonna sit there constantly doing it. You know, it's just kind of goofing off. Alright, I'm gonna go for it. Sounds pretty good. I wonder how far you could hear it. Hello? 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 Testing 1, 2, 3. Sounds pretty good. not too impressed with the intercom. Maybe if I would have put it in a better spot, but I think I got that in a pretty good spot. Shouldn't get wet. I'm not sure if it's supposed to get wet or not. The first place I put it, it kind of was rocking a little bit. I mean, I was just in the driveway, but I imagine it would have been rocking. There's just really no good places to put it other than where I had put it. I'm gonna have to show y'all, but not right now. Testing 1, 2, 3. Pretty cool. I'm gonna leave just in case somebody can hear it. Stop.